Good morning to all. Dear students, today we are starting our first lesson. I hope you all are keeping well. So, the first chapter, the first theme is about the medieval Europe. The main event that happened in the medieval Europe is the advent of Christianity, the rise and the spread of Christian religion. So, just to grasp that, we have to go through history. Last year, we studied the history that about the ancient period. For our sake, as we see, the history is divided into mainly three things: ancient period, medieval period, and modern period. Each period notes the social, political transitions or changes or the main events in the lives of the people. So, the medieval period in Europe, it is concerned about the time from 7th century to early 16th century. But in India, it is from 8th century till about 18th century. Just keep in mind, there's a little difference in the time period. So this period is called the medieval period. It comes from the Latin words medina, Latin words medins and aevum, which means middle age. So the main socio-political background of the medieval Europe is highlighted in this table. We see the kings as the owner of the land at the top, and bishops and landlords at the second level, vassals on the third level, peasants on the fourth level, and serfs on the fifth level. So we start with the serfs. These are the poor people who had no land, or they just worked for the vassals, paying tax every year. So the history is noted by the challenges that faced by the human race. As the fall of the Western Roman Empire in the mid of 4th century, it continued till 15th century. So there was no safety for the people, no laws to protect the life and wealth of the common people. So the people turned to monasteries and lords for protection. So this period is known as the Dark Ages in the history. So the main highlight of this period is the rise of the feudal system. Feudal means those who are at the top, and the society is divided into different grades. As we say in the table, the king, the bishops, the vassals, peasants, serfs. So just have a knowledge of the background of this period. The feudal system, it developed day by day, and people has to depend upon them for their safety. So the emergence of feudalism in Europe. There are main three elements of feudalism. That is, vassals, those who are followers of lords, who owned some land and who worked as soldiers for the lords. And the fiefs, those who received or those who paid tax to the lords. So there is no government as a whole, there are no laws prevailing, and so for the safety of the people, they depended upon the lords, and there arose the new system which is called the feudal system. This is the social political background in medieval Europe. Thank you. See you in the next class.